Azure Synapse ARM template is a powerful tool for deploying and managing Azure Synapse Analytics. Resources. To get started with Azure Synapse ARM template, you need to understand the basics of Azure Resource Manager and Azure Synapse Analytics. First, let's define what Azure Synapse Analytics is. It is a limitless analytics service that brings enterprise data warehouse capabilities to the cloud. With Azure Synapse, you can integrate and analyze data from various sources, create data pipelines, and build machine learning models. Next, let's talk about Azure Resource Manager, or ARM. ARM is a service that enables you to manage and deploy Azure resources. You can use ARM templates to define the infrastructure and configuration of your Azure resources in a declarative way. To create an Azure Synapse ARM template, you need to define the resources you want to deploy, such as a Synapse workspace, storage, and SQL pools. You can use the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell to create and deploy your ARM template. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating an Azure Synapse ARM template. First, go to the Azure portal and search for Azure Synapse Analytics. Click on Create a new Synapse workspace and select the subscription, resource group, and region. Then, click on the Template tab and select Download Template. This will download a JSON file that defines the resources for your Synapse workspace. You can modify this template to add or remove resources, and then deploy it to Azure using the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. Best practices for using Azure Synapse ARM templates include testing your template in a development environment before deploying it to production, using parameters to make your template more flexible, and using outputs to return values from your template. In conclusion, Azure Synapse ARM template is a powerful tool for deploying and managing Azure Synapse Analytics resources. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and deploy your own Azure Synapse ARM template and start analyzing your data in the cloud. Remember to test your template thoroughly and use parameters and outputs to make it more flexible and useful.